hospital food is the worst. Maybe I can get some help from my friends. Hello? No way! That sounds like horrible food! Don't worry, I'm on it, okay? I've got the snacks. Oh no! A nurse! No food and drink, eh? Looks like that's my way through. Alright. Here I go! Urgh! Thank goodness I've been lifting weights! Alright, I'm in the vents! There she is! And there's that sad-looking salad. Time to finish this rescue! Snacks from the sky to the rescue! Huh? What the… Oh! Snacks! Yes! You're my absolute hero! These videos are so funny! Hi! How's it going? Oops! Oh no, I spilled my coffee! Excuse me! I could use your help. Sorry, but if you could clean that up, that'd be great. Clean it up? I guess so. I'll just rub it away with my shoe. That should work. There! I knew that would get the job done. Really? Sounds like someone is here. It's my friend! Yeah, it is! And look what I brought you! Hey! Get that mop away from my face! Come on! I wouldn't do that! Look! It's candy! Wow! That's amazing! You're so smart! It's delicious. Just gotta finish recording these vitamins. Oh, looks like I need something else. Time to do some ninja sneaking. Like my vitamins? Just kidding. It's a trick. I melted down some gummy sharks. And then I poured it into open blister packs. Being careful not to spill any. And once they're filled, I'll just use foil to cover the backs. Perfect! You can't even tell they're gummy candies. Time to just do a quick ninja switcheroo. Excellent! Ninja vanish. There we go. Is this right? Yeah, I think it is. Hello, I've got some things for you. What? More vitamins? Ugh. Come on now. None of that attitude. Here you go. Take this. Is it gonna taste bad? It doesn't matter. You need to take it to feel better. Fine. Oh. Oh! This is delicious! I'll take more of those vitamins, please. Okay. You must really want to get well. You're right. See this sign? No food or drink allowed! Oh no! That nurse is confiscating all the snacks! Look how mean she is! Taking all those goodies from that poor girl! Wait a second. That gives me a good idea! Alright, Twix. Time to sneak you into the hospital. I'll just tuck the candy into this neck brace. I bet I can fit a whole bunch of them. Okay. I think that's everything I can fit. Gotta pretend to be injured and in pain, though. Do you have any food or beverages on your person? Not at all. No way. If you don't mind, I'll go through now if that's okay. Ha! It totally worked! I'm a genius! Time to eat some M&Ms. Delicious! Hello! I'm here to see my friend for their birthday. Not with that cake, you aren't! No food is allowed beyond this point. Come on now, hand it over to me! But it's for my friend! Oh no! My balloons! Ugh, this hospital is so mean! Happy birthday! Wow! What a surprise! I brought you some goodies! Oh, and I snuck in something else for you, too! Delicious! Look, it's candy on my bracelet! Here's one for you since the nurse confiscated my cake. Wow! You're so clever! I've been craving candy! Yeah, hospital food is not good. Hey, I've got an idea! I'll be the first one to write on your cast! Now your cast will be pretty and fun! Yay! I love it! Alright, looks like that's the right amount. Hold up! Food and drinks aren't allowed. Do you have anything on you? Hold still so I can check you out. Well, I don't see anything. Oh, gross! Why are you carrying that around? Well, I'll go. Oh, you came. Look what I have to drink here. Water. Well, you could have this instead. Ew! Who do you think I am? I'll stick with the water. Look. See? I'm drinking it. That's disgusting! No, it's fine. Trust me. It's not what you think. It's actually apple juice. I just poured it into the collection cup. And look, I brought one for you too. Oh, I get it. That's really smart. Cheers! That is so good. Hello. I'm here to visit a patient. Oh, wow. You look like you're in rough shape too. I'm so sorry you're going through this difficult time. Thank you. It's been really hard, you know? I didn't even know the stovetop was on! And now I have to wear these bandages until I'm healed! And it hurts to even touch it! Well, go on through and visit your friend. Hey! I'm here to cheer you up! What happened to you? You like? What if I do a dance like this? This is too much. Ha! Well, I've got you in mind. Check out what I do with these scissors. Just a little snip snip. Ta-da! I snuck in bowls of candy! You're amazing! That's right. I knew you'd probably be missing some snacks. Here you go. This is great! You're such a great friend! Uh-oh. I think my sodas are in danger. What am I gonna do? I'll just try to hide them. Just sneak past quietly. Oh my gosh! She's so scary! Shoot! I dropped one of the sodas! What are you doing? Soda isn't allowed! See the sign? You'll have to take your soda out of here. Man, now what am I gonna do? Wait a second. Look at that syringe. That gives me a great idea. Alright, Soda. Time to try and sneak you inside the hospital. Time to fill this syringe with the soda. There we go. It's totally filled. And I've got a whole tray of them now, too. Whoa! Hold it right there. What are you doing? Just bringing these syringes to a patient. Oh, okay. I see. You're free to go on through. Phew. That was a close one. What? More medicine? No! Oh my gosh. She thinks that I'm a real nurse. Psst. Hey, look. It's me. Oh! No way! I can't believe you're here! Shh! Don't give me away. Oh look, I brought this here for you. But why would I want more medicine? It's not medicine. Check this out. Oh! I get it. Cheers! Ah, that's so refreshing. How would you sneak food in to see your friend in the hospital? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.